And it is race day. We took a trip to Goulburn last night. I came up and stayed with a few mates. And now we are on the way to one of my mates' cafes. I'm going to go down and make a coffee because I'm pumped. I haven't done it in a while and I'm looking forward to having breakfast. But look at this landscape, like how beautiful this is. Good old Goulburn. Nice little country town. KNGs. This is my friend's cafe, and you need to come and check this out when you come to Goulburn. Alright, so we're out here at the track. I've been testing, I took it out a few times and I had to do some adjustments on the handbrake, so I did a few test laps, realised the handbrake wasn't locking up completely, so I've adjusted it. And as you can hear, there are people everywhere on the track going, there's cars everywhere, it's mad. It's such a mad vibe here. But yeah, so I did a few test laps, tested the handbrake, did some adjustments. I've got to adjust my tyre pressure because the tyres that I got on them are really grippy. They're Nitto NT05s, so they are quite grippy when they warm up. So I'm going to raise the tyre pressure a bit so they can slide a bit more. So it gives me a little bit more sideways action, and we go from there. See how we go.
was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
What happened, Mr. Drifter?